Hello, and welcome to another episode of Gary's Food Review. Today I went down to Country Fair and I picked up some Ricola cough drops. So it says that they're naturally soothing. So let's open them up and give them a try. Here's what they look like, the packaging. So let's open them up. This is what it looks like. It almost looks like a cube of honey or something. So let's give it a try. Instantly off the bat, I get that big peanut butter taste. Like, if you remember the big Reese cup, it reminds me of that, because it has that really big peanut butter taste, and I really like peanut butter, so these are really nice. I would think that they would be natural herb flavoring, but they taste like that big peanut butter taste that I really like. So, overall, on a food taste scale, I would have to give the Ricola, the original natural herb cough drops, a 8 out of 10. Like I said before, I really like that big peanut butter taste, and these really achieve that. So, if you see them in the store, I recommend you get them yourself and give them a try. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.